Hi, welcome back to Albert Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a ricotta cheese. Let's begin. Let's dry the persimmon and cherry tomato first. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. And sprinkle some salt and pepper and oil. I'm going to cut the persimmon into squares. Let's try this out. Okay, next, let's make a ricotta cheese. Put milk and cream in the pot. Then, add some sugar and salt. Cut the lemon while it boils. Squeeze lemon as much as you can. Keep it at 85 to 90 degrees. Put the thyme in for rich flavor. Prepare some vegetable for the salad. I used radicchio today. And then make dressing. This is creamy balsamic dressing. This is dried fig. If you eat it with cheese, very nice. Take it off the thyme. Sieve the fat into a cheesecloth. Squeeze some water. If you want to be soft, you don't have to squeeze a lot. Lastly, let's make a pan con tomate. Prepare the garlic and tomato only. This is one of my favorite bread, is baguette. Make it crispy. Should I season the salad? Of course. It's more tasty. It's plating time. Wow, it's so amazing! Do you know how to eat pan con tomate? I will show you. Massage the garlic on the bread and squeeze tomato. Add some salt and oil. That's it. Let's try it. It's very creamy. I recommend you put cream when you make ricotta cheese. Try making it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.